Hey y'all, it's Dayla and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. I butchered that whole thing, but it's fine. As you guys can see by today's title, I'm gonna be showing you guys me doing a quick weave on myself for the first time. So we gonna see if it look good. Hopefully it look good, and hopefully that's why you clicked on the video. If it didn't, that's embarrassing. Like, honestly, it's just my first time doing it on myself, so we gonna see how it go and all that. And I'm gonna kind of give y'all like a little step-by-step what you need to do if you're trying to figure out, like, use this video as a tutorial. I got you. Then I'm gonna just show y'all what I got from the store. I got some of this glue, you know, people use it for the eyelashes, tracks, all that. I'm using it for the hair. I also got this hair from organic, you know. Anyways, but it's body wave, but I'm gonna end up straightening it anyway because I don't want a body wave. So it's gonna blend. Hopefully it blends with my cut because I do have a bob. But hey, and I got it in 1 bead and it's 24 inches. I got 3 packs of those. I got a stocking wig cap. So what I'm thinking, I want it to be a side part. I was gonna do a middle part, but I always have a middle part, so I want to try something different and do a side part. First, I'm gonna just like plan out what my side part is gonna be. So give me a second to figure that out. Honestly, y'all, I need to go in the mirror and do this because I can't see through this little thing, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and parted off all the leave out that I wanted. This is the side part. I got like the edges out, like the part that'll cover the tracks, and I just have like a little bit right here, so you know, just in case a little track won't show right there. I got something right there. But anyways, for the rest of the head, we just gonna braid it like a regular sewing and then get into the quick weave. What's up with the lighting? Hold on. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. So I braid it down as much as I can, and then the rest I just like kind of twist it in the back and put it together. But we got the wig cap on. I marked the wig cap underneath, so I know where to like where my leave out is at and everything. We about to get into the good part, putting the hair in, because we can't be looking like this for the rest of the video. Like, that's embarrassing. But you know, it takes a lot to look good, period. No, never mind. Forget what I said, y'all. I ain't gonna really be doing too much talking because when I do my hair, I be concentrated. Did I just tangle this hair up? This real embarrassing. Now that we got that untangled back, ooh, looking terrible. So what you want to do is you want to measure it. So you take the back of your head where you want the first track to lay at. I think I'm gonna do my first one like right here. So you take the glue, right? My head is small, dang. And then you just put the glue on the track. That's what I do. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Like, you can use the blow dryer too, but and then literally you do that throughout your whole head. It's really simple. Okay, y'all, so I finished putting all the hair in. I hope all the tracks are being covered. If not, it is what it is, man. It's just gonna show, but this is how it looks so far. I'm getting ready to flat iron it, you know, get it sleek through the edges, styling and everything, and then we done. Okay, y'all, we in the bathroom. So now I'm getting ready to flat iron it. And it say this hair can only take up to 400, so I'm not even going to try to do 450. I'm just going to go on 370. Okay? Because that's embarrassing if it fall off. Drop me, show me what you got. Oh yeah, this one looking good. It's blending in with the silk robe.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else.
Y'all, I'm trying to, cause y'all know I got that blunt cut. Trying to melt it in there so you can't see it. On camera you can't really, but I think I got it. So this is how I blended the last side. I got this. And then I put it on the ends of my hair. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Nice and sleek. But yeah, my face look a little dry, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna play around with the baby hairs and everything, but this is how it is. It's really cute. It's not too long, so you know, take care of it. But yeah.